This is one of the most honest questions that people avoid to ask. Well, meditation can do both ways. One, it can help you face your inner world, or it can become a subtle way to avoid or escape it. If you're using meditation to numb out, to suppress your emotions, and avoid difficult or hard conversations, then that's avoidance. But if you're doing meditation to sit with your discomfort, to listen to your thoughts honestly, and to feel your emotions without running, then that's healing. And actually, there isn't any difference at all in the practice. The difference lies on your intention. What is your intention when you meditate? No one talks about the boring middle part. What you see online is transformation, peace, and clarity. But what you don't see are the weeks of restlessness, the this is not working phase, or the quiet internal resistance. What meditation do is it gives you the result very subtly. You don't actually immediately feel calm or peaceful or any spiritual emotions. What you may observe is that you slowly or subtly notice that you react less, you pause more, and your thoughts no longer control you as much. So when you do meditation, the result or the transformation is not always so dramatic. It's just very small, subtle way that you will notice it later on. Meditation doesn't delete your thoughts. It also doesn't silence your mind forever. What it does is it changes your relationship with your thoughts. You stop believing every thought and you stop reacting to every mental story. Instead, you observe, you pause, and you choose your response. The goal here is not actually to have a quiet mind. The goal here is a mind that no longer controls you. Meditation asks you to do something that most people avoid. It asks you to sit alone with your thoughts and emotion, and that could feel uncomfortable, confronting, and even scary. So your mind creates resistance, and you hear yourself saying, I don't have time, I will do it later, or this isn't working. But underneath that is often discomfort, unprocessed emotions, and your fear that something might come up. So you are not actually lazy. You are just protecting yourself from feeling too much at once. Meditation removes distraction. So before meditation, you feel truly busy. You are distracted and you are constantly stimulated. But during meditation, everything slows down. So what has been pushed aside rises up. You are not creating pain. You are just seeing what's already been there. And this awareness could become very uncomfortable. But this is also the doorway to real healing. Every one of us carries different inner experiences. So meditation to some could feel like a relief. To others, it could feel like a confrontation. If you are suppressing your emotions or constantly distracting yourself or avoiding stillness, then the silence in meditation could be very uncomfortable at first. But it doesn't mean that you are doing it the wrong way. It just means that you are meeting part of yourself that you haven't sat with. It is enough to start, but not enough to heal deep wounds overnight. You think it like this: the 5 to 10-minute meditation can help you calm your nervous system. It builds awareness, and it can even create a shift, a small shift on your emotions. But deep healing requires consistency, it requires safety, and sometimes external support. Healing is not about how long you sit, but it is about how honestly you show up again and again.